What's up? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm back again and we're gonna do some crazy stuff. I got some cameras, I got some capacitors, I got, well, a charge compensator, or as I call it, a muffler. It's a muffler. It's an empty canister that comes off the end of a compressor. I got a processor. It is a brand Intel Pentium G3440T. Not a very good one, but we're gonna crush it. We're gonna make it flat. Maybe, I don't know, this thing kind of thick feeling. We'll see if we can crush it. We're gonna crush it, but we're gonna get to it. I got two of these. We're gonna crush both of those. These are cameras. This is a Bunker Hill camera, security system camera. Because I just upgraded mine and I just figured like getting rid of the garbage. And what better way to throw it away than into pieces? Let's do it. Oh my God, it's breaking! Go! Keep going! Crush it! Go! Yes! Oh my God, it's crushing it! Holy crap, it totally crushed it. Wow, did you see that? Let's take this thing, lift it up and see what's under it. Holy crap. So inside of here, you've got, well, just a bunch of stuff that's crushed. Yes! Glass, microchips are falling out. It must be some kind of a sensor. Then nothing's left but a hollow case of metal. Yes! Let's move on to the next one. You want to do a camera in a different direction? Let's do it. It cut the aluminum. Look at that. That's crazy. Oh my God, it's going right through it. Crush it. Yes. Holy moly, it's totally opening it up. Look at that. That is so crazy. So what's next? Ooh, we got a capacitor. This is a 40 plus 5 microfarad capacitor, and it functions at 370 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. So let's crush it. Now that is pointing directly at me. I hope it doesn't puke and explode in front of me. Oh, that's crazy looking. Oh, it's crushing it. Holy shit. Oh, it's puking some fluid out of it. Oh, that's nasty. I think it maxed out. Holy crap. I'm gonna get some gloves on first. It looks like aluminum wrapped a lot. Oh, that's so nasty. It just pushed it right out. Did you see that? That's crazy. That's so awesome. Well, we'll see you in the next video. Oh, we're supposed to do a microprocessor. Can't leave without doing that. Let's do it. I wonder what it's going to do to it. Oh, it's pushing down on it. Oh my gosh. It's taking so much pressure. That's 20 tons. I'm almost afraid to get near it. Let's lift it up and see what it looks like. Well, ladies and gentlemen, my camera battery died. I'm sorry, but we did get some awesome footage. So next time, we're gonna do something different. I want you to leave in the comment section below some stuff that I can crush. Now, somebody mentioned in the last video they wanted to crush a toilet. I so want to crush a toilet, but I don't have one to spare. If I crush my toilet, I don't have a toilet. So what I need to do is consider replacing the toilets in the future and getting new toilets. I got one downstairs that is 30 years old almost. So we might consider replacing that one and destroying it. It should be able to fit on this press. I believe it will. So next time, maybe we can have a toilet, but I doubt it. Eventually we can. But we're gonna do some more crazy stuff with this. And if you guys would comment in the section below how much you enjoyed this, I would appreciate it. And make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Yeah. See you next time. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching all the way to the end of the video. There's lots more content coming. Click the subscribe button below. Make sure you come back for more because there's great content always coming up every day in this channel. See you next time. Peace.